Umkhonto wesizwe uyahluleka ukubona ama-influencers. Angenza example nje. Abo breakdown. Nina ngambuka light u-breakdown. Nimuthathe light u-breakdown. U-breakdown ingozi kabi. Abantu abafana no-breakdown akubantu ongabaziba. Ngiyakutshela mina. U-breakdown ukenza ivideo ngomkhonto wesizwe nje. Wonke amehla athi nje okulo video breakdown. Abheke show breakdown ngomkhonto wesizwe. Kuyenzeka umuntu abe ne-influence enhle abe futhi nembi. Kodwa wena ezilid uyakwazi ukuyishintsha i-influence lo muntu loyo uyenze ibe yinhle. Ayinalo iso lokubona umkhonto wesizwe kuloyo nto leyo. Lapha kwi-youth ngibaniya 5% noma 4%. I-youth yethu nje useless xa sokuphuma ngegama elinjalo sakho igama elinjalo. Kodwa nje abantu labana nje hayi ubona laba nje hayi. Labantu nje ngathi kufanele ngabo nje indlela abe-operate ngayo. Abakwazi ukubona umuntu ohlakaniphile kwi-youth okudlula uhlakaniphile lo asimsondeza. U0 lo fathi u0 uhlaniphile kakhulu la mfana and umkhonto uyawuthanda wesizwe. Senihlula nje ufana ngumsondeza. uHelman Mashaba akanendaba ne-political something yini leni ifuna unini. Unendaba ne-influence ufuna abantu. Ungaba nayo igcwale bungenabantu into engekho leyo. uMashaba wenza show ukukhangela abantu. Lana ngikhuluma ngapho. Wabona kwabanye amaqembu ngelinye ilanga kade bethanda umkhonto wesizwe.
Sithi silungu there is no comfort in the truth ngoba akukhathalekile ukuthi wena uzizwa kanjani kodwa iqiniso lihlezi liyiqiniso. Ipolitiki it's a game of numbers. And uma ngabe kuze emkhakheni wezepolitiki kufuze esigameni sobuholi nabantu abazoba in the forefront of a political party noma yipi. Numbers matters more than lo muntu i-political background yakhe, more than ukuthi lo muntu politically educated kangakanani. Kodwa into ebalulekile, can that person pull the numbers na? Angeke ngenze umzekelo ophilayo ukufakazela lento eshow ubaba uKhomo la. uXolani Khumalo abantu abaningi bayamthanda, including nami, including nawe. Engakabe associated nanoma yiliphi iqembu le-political party ngenxa yokuthi lo muntu ulwa nalento eyi-frustration abantu base-South Africa. Leno kuyiyona ebanikeza inkinga abantu base-South Africa ngoba ama-families amaningi affected ngendaba yama-drugs. But then uXolani Khumalo mayofuna i-funding uHerman Mashaba ezumuntu osomabhizinisi onayo imali. Uthi uHerman Mashaba no ngiyakuzwa angimind mina ukukunikeza imali kodwa I'm willing uku-offer i-position la ku-Action SA and lento izokuvulela amathuba wena ukuthi mbongasuwine abantu bakuvotele uzokwazi ukuba semandleni. Then lempo zama ukuyilwa yonke ngeke usayiplana ngebudget yakho kodwa kuzophuma ibudget straight from i-government ethi silwa nama-drugs silwa ne-crime. Njengomeya ungakwazi lonto le ukuthi uyilwe kahle ngoba vele lento into efana ngabe i-resolver i-state. Lento eniyenzayo nina njengama-private security company nama organization lawo abo Xolani Khumalo Foundation abothatha zonke nenza umsebenzi nilekelela umsebenzi wamaphoyisa ngoba lona ngumsebenzi wamaphoyisa kuyo yonke into eniyenzayo. Uma seniqedile funa nibiza amaphoyisa noma funa nihambe namaphoyisa ngoba lo msebenzi ngumsebenzi wamaphoyisa. Kodwa into esingayenza woza wena uzoba i-mayoral candidate yaseKuruleni ukhankase uma uwinile ukuzobe sekwenzeka lento engikutshela zona. uHerman Mashaba la into ayenzayo i-strategical ngoba uyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bayamthanda uXolani and uXolani bayamazi ukuthi ukhathalele izwe lase-South Africa nendawo yabantu base-South Africa ukuthi ifuna ibe safe. Ngaleso sizathu abantu bakhona abantu abazomvotela uXolani Khumalo. I-Action SA ama-members wakhona aya-understand ukuthi at the end of the day it doesn't matter ubani who's in the forefront but uma singase siwine kuzobe kuphethe Action SA. So asikho isidingo sokulwa sithi ya siqale thina Action SA phansi bengekho bani sasuka nayo phansi. Manje njengoba sekulezingeni elikuyo sekukhona abantu abafika kuyo bayafika labantu no babuke the bigger picture ukuthi uXolani Khumalo is bringing numbers. Comparing uXolani Khumalo nama members amanye Action SA baningi akabehlulayo. Lento show breakdown iave ibalekile futhi iqiniso elingephikiswe umuntu. Ngakho ke ibalulekile. Ngicela uthuzwe la.
Let me just thank the Action SA for allowing me an opportunity to serve our community. You know, I was approached by the Deputy President, Dr. Kekana, in 2024. And in our engagements, you know, throughout Mpumalanga and other parts of the country, a meeting was scheduled that I must meet with the President of Action SA, and the rest is history. Yes. Let me thank Abondabezi Tabayete, Abondlunkulu, ubuholi be Action SA, ubuholi bekhuphuka asihlehli. Empumalanga siyakhuphuka. Mpumalanga is ready. My focus has always been delivering to South Africans that needs functioning municipalities and the political leaders that can, you know, deliver service to our neighbors, if I may put it that way. This is why I can sit here before you that and tell you that you know, MK was an official opposition in Mpumalanga, and today it has collapsed. And since 2024 elections, I've been watching MK collapsing and how the internal factionalism, changes of leadership has affected the voters down there. And, you know, MK became the focus rather than serving our communities and growing that party. Ngizosho nje ukuthi simsebenzele uNcamalala kodwa isintu sithi siyobohla amanyusi. And you know, since I've been pictured publicly with President Herman Mashaba, and all is not lost. Mpumalanga is going to make history again on the 26th of April, where Action SA members of Mpumalanga will be wearing their regalia in numbers, or maybe let me say in thousands. Kupuga Mpumalanga, kupuga. Thank you very much, President.
Mama Mary Phadi ungomunye wabantu abawusebenzela umkhonto wesizwe Party ngoba bekholelwa kuNcamalala. Ekusebenzeleni kwabo baze bafaka ngisho imali ngoba wayethi mangabe kuzoba namarali njengoba bethi abantu abazobe bekhona in thousands ngoba abantu abakwazi ukufaka ngisho imali ukuthi kuze abaculi abomaskanda bequiet abehouse obani bafike bezonandisa bese abantu baphuma ngobuningi beze la kusuke kukhona lo mcimbi loyo. Even though ke ukugcwala kwabantu ungasho ukuthi kuza ama vote kodwa lokho kukodwa kuyabehlula abantu abaningi ekuthenini bagcwalisa istadium noma bamobilize abantu. Ngakho ke siyalwazi udaba lwakhe nokuhamba kwakhe kumkhonto wesizwe Party kodwa angeke uzukukhohlwa ungake futhi ukushaya indivu ukuthi ungomunye wabantu ababe nesandla ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe Party ube la ukhona in terms of ama vote eMpumalanga. Kodwa kunegama lishoyo la uthi umsebenzele uNcamalala kodwa isintu sithi sobohla amanyusi. Okusho ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe Party uma ungazibambanga zaqina une competition yangempela. But the way strategic ngakhona uHerman Mashaba ulanda uMary Phadi kungenzeka uMeripadi amnika isikhundla futhi khona eMpumalanga ngoba angikholwa ukuthi angamenza mayoral candidate, angikholwa lokho, kodwa uzomnika isikhundla eMpumalanga ekwenza futhi lokhu ngamabomu ngoba azi ukuthi kunabantu abathanda uMeripadi yena siqu abangenandaba nezinto eziningi. Kodwa uHerman Mashaba ne-Action SA bayazi ukuthi what matters at the end of the day is numbers. Cause ukuthi wena ukudala ukhona kwipolitiki, kudala unolwazi ukhulele kwipolitiki. If you can't pull in the numbers, you are as good as dead because awukho. Ekugcineni kosuku kufuneka umuntu ozothi mayivela abantu bamethembe, abantu nobe sethi ayangivoti asukuma athi eyithi ngiyovota ukuze loya muntu loya ezophatha. Ngakho ke lento esho baba uKhomo lapha eqaleni ibalekile kakhulu. Sengathi abantu abangamalungu omkhonto wesizwe party uma bezwa le video bangengeyithathe njengevideo abagxekayo, kodwa bangayithatha njengokukhula ukuthi yini esingayifunda from inkulumo kababa uKhomo, yini futhi esingayifunda from isizenzo sika Herman Mashaba. Emveni kokufunda lapho singayi-applya kanjani lento ukuze siye phambili. Sake sakhuluma ngelinye ilanga la sikhuluma ngabantu abaye eParliament. Ngathi uPapa Penny ube yikhansela le-ANC for 10 years if I'm not mistaken, but usevile kwi-ANC for 14 years. 4 years angazi ube yini, but a party ye-legislature yaseLimpopo. Then 10 years ube yikhansela. Kukhona isikhathi lathi khona akafuni kungenela abantu bathi no sifuna wena, kodwa lo muntu akasakwazi ukukhuluma isilungu, kodwa yini umsebenzi wakhe bebewubona, ubexhumana nabantu, ubesondele kubantu. Papa Penny nje engafundile njalo, kodwa he was able to pull the numbers. Balekile le nto leyo. Angibambe le video, angina energy kahle, ngiyacela nje ukuze umbono wakho la comment section ngeze ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kuyonke nje lenkulumo esikhuluma ngayo. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ungasupporta ngokuba yimember yale channel, ungasupporta ngokusidonatela noma ngamalini. Ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike, usubscribe.